Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today's video is another full face of first impressions and I feel like it's been so long since we did one of these. I've got a bunch of really hyped up new releases that everybody is basically having a meltdown over. So in today's video, we're going to test them out and I'm going to let you know whether or not I think they're actually worth the money. So let's jump into the video. This one I'm ridiculously excited about. Hello Mattifying Primer. This is brand new from L'Oreal. This is their Infallible Mattifying Primer. Instant anti-shine action and oil control extends makeup. Wear ultra lightweight, blah, 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 blah. Yep, cool. I like the packaging. It's really nice and compact. I think that's a great idea, especially for travel and things. You know, with these big, massive glass bottles and whatnot. Oh, it's really runny. Okay. Yeah, big. Oh, it's very lightweight. Shivers. Okay, this feels different to any other primer that I've got. It's like water. What? Okay, this is weird. Oh, it smells good. I wonder if this actually works. Ooh. I've been on the hunt for a new drugstore like mattifying primer because the Rimmel Stay Matte one appears to be discontinued. I don't want to talk about it. I don't. Okay, this one feels super lightweight on the skin. You can hardly even feel that you're wearing it. It doesn't have a silicone slip kind of feel to it. It just feels like, I don't know, I really like moisturizer, so I'm interested to see how it goes. Next up, I've got a new foundation by Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. This is a really cool product because at one end is a foundation and the other end is like a contour stick, so you can use it like, you know, both. Hello. I've got shades 1.1 and 2.2. Hopefully we can get a match. So that is what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a foundation end there, and then that, oh that's cool. The contour end is like on an angle. That'll make it much easier to apply. Cool. Okay, this is shade at 1.1 and this is 2.2. I don't know. 2.2. Okay, 1.1 is definitely way too light, but 2.2 might potentially be too dark. We might be mixing today. That's all right. Okay, so they don't really seem to have any specific directions in terms of what you have to apply it with. I find that a lot of foundations these days are like, oh, you have to apply it with a brush, or you have to apply it with your fingers, or whatever. Like, can you guys stop doing that? Make a foundation that can be applied with anything so that anybody can use it, please. I'm going to try out this brand new makeup sponge from L'Oreal as well. This is their Infallible Foundation Blender. The interesting part about this one is that it's meant to be used dry, according to the directions on the back. Definitely says allow to air dry before use after washing, so I think they want it to be used dry. Oh no, I don't want to use it dry. Let's see how this color goes. Nah, that's like punching yourself in the face. It is hard as a rock. I am wetting this. See ya. Okay, definitely got a lot bigger with water. That feels better. It's nowhere near as soft as a beauty blender, and I am feeling like I'm having to be quite rough to get it to blend. Listen to that noise. Can you hear that? It's got so much buoyancy. Probably a great pull flotation device. Foundation's blending out quite nicely though. Like, it does look really nice on the skin. I'll be honest, I hate this. I'm sorry. I'm going to try this new beauty blender. This is the Beauty Blender Chill. Just chill. It's green. It's cute. Okay, the difference in softness between these two, like this sponge and this sponge, is phenomenal. I really like this green color. How bright is it? So I don't actually have any new products for brows or priming my eyes. So I'm going to quickly do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, for the eyes today, I'm going to be using this brand new palette from Morphe. This is the 24G Grand Glam. I did feature this in a recent eyeshadow palette haul and everyone was like, oh my God, test it out on camera. So she's completely fresh. I've never tried it. They're all warm tone kind of neutrals, which typically seems to be what Morphe does a lot of the time. They look really pretty though, and I'm hoping that the formula is the same as the 3502 because the shadows in that were like, oh, it's perfect. First up, I'm going to take this shadow here. It's like a creamy bone beigey light kind of color. And I'm going to work that one through the crease. I am actually going to a baby shower today, so today's makeup's going to be more on the low-key natural side. Well, I feel like I always say that and then I end up full glam, so you never know. But I kind of probably will need to keep it a little bit toned down. So far, so good. This shade's blending out quite nicely. Yeah, I don't really have too much to say. Transition shades are always hard. Like, you can't really judge a palette based on the transition shade. Getting a little bit of fallout from the palette, but nothing major. I think we're going to do a bronzy look using some of these pretty bronze colors. So next up I might take this one here, and I'm going to use that same brush, basically in the same way, and just deepen up the crease. And the shadows in this palette are, I think, 2.5 times the size of normal ones. That's why you get less of them, but yeah, the actual shadows are bigger. Oh my gosh, that brown's so pretty. Oh, so far I like. Do you guys want me to zoom in? Okay, I've zoomed in a little now, so hopefully you can see a bit better. Okay, next up I'm going to take this really pretty warm shimmery bronze color, and I'm basically going to pack that all over the lid, I think. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Yeah, this palette is not messing around. So I've packed that one all over the lid. I've got minimal fallout, and now I'm going to go in with a blending brush and blend the edges. Crikey, mate. That's so Australian. All right, just buff the edges. Blends out fairly well. I mean, I've got a bit of a line here though. Could be my fault. Yeah, I think that was just my fault. Oh, those colors. Morphe. Hi, how you doing? Okay, so now I'm just taking that crease color and blending it through the lower lash line. And then finally to finish, I'm going to take this shimmery kind of champagne-y. It does look a little gold actually. Okay, shit. But I'm basically popping this one. Whoa! Okay, that is full on. Pop that on the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes just to add like a bit of a highlight. And then we're going to move on to mascara. I know it's not like the best version of exactly how well this palette can work, but if you like, I can do a separate tutorial using the palette. I can do like a 3 looks in one kind of video. Leave a comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. But I mean, from the colors that I've used so far, it's a pretty good palette. And I mean, it's affordable, it's Morphe, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes and then we're gonna move on to mascara. I'm so excited, you guys. We're gonna be trying out the brand new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So apparently this is like next level and it makes your eyelashes look like you're wearing falsies. Everybody is raving about it. It's got aero particles in it. One of the lightest known materials used in astronaut spacesuits. What? And the test will be, does it transfer? Does it smudge? We'll see. My lashes are probably good ones to test it out on. I've got the worst natural lashes. They're short, they're straight, they're just... Ugh. Okay, the packaging is really, really cute. It's like rubbery and it's got like definitely very spacey, got a space vibe to it. This is actually my favorite kind of mascara brush. I really love the small, sort of more slender, rubbery ones. They are my favorite. They're just easier to work with and they don't make a huge mess. Okay, we're going in. Ooh. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, except I've already got it everywhere. It's okay. We will fix that. It is definitely nice, you guys. Okay, I really like this mascara. Better not transfer. I'm going to be heartbroken if this transfers. My lashes don't normally look this good. I nearly feel like I could even get away without falsies, which is like unheard of for me. It'll be interesting to see how we go. I am pretty fussy when it comes to mascara because I don't like them like heavy or sticky or, you know, sometimes like when you shut your eyes and you feel like your eyelashes are sticking together. I despise it. I hate it. So yeah, I'm going to wear this all day and fill you guys in the description bar. But so far, Bad Gal Bang, I like. Okay, moving back onto the face, I'm finally going to be trying out the brand new Kylie Skin Concealers. So many of you are saying that this is just as good as Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm like, really? We're going to find out. I've got 2 shades here. I've got what an idiot. Sand and Pine Nut. How is that sand? It's like apricot. It's like pink. Sand is never pink. Pine Nut's a little bit more yellow. Can't believe how pink sand is though. That's really odd. Packaging's cute. Oh, it's got an interesting little doe foot. It's like a flat one. This is the color Sand. I mean, apricot isn't bad. Like, apricot's great for under the eyes because it will brighten and correct. But it's weird that it would be called Sand and not apricot though. It feels very hydrating. Like, it doesn't feel dry at all. And I'm blending it out with the Beauty Blender. Oh my God. That blended out so easily and it looks good. I wouldn't say it's as full coverage as the Shape Tape. Like, I don't think it gives anywhere near as much like coverage. but it's also not as thick of a formula. So if you don't like how thick the Tarte Shape Tape is, you might prefer this one better. I'm interested to see how it goes on my oily skin all day. That's always the test. Will it actually last without me looking like fried bacon? What do you guys think? I think it makes my skin look really nice. I look very, very hydrated. It's nearly like it's got like a dewy luminance to it, which is different for a concealer, but it looks pretty. And then to set that all down, I'm going to be trying out this NYX #NoFilter finishing powder. It looks like a mineral-based powder. Some people really hate this stuff and some people really like it, so I'm like, I need to know. I just can't really picture me staying extremely matte today. Like, you know how sometimes you put makeup on and it just feels creamy? I feel like my skin feels creamy today. Yeah, this powder isn't really setting it down. It's definitely more of like a finishing powder than a setting powder. I'm gonna need to set this down because I'm gonna be sitting out in the sun. I'm gonna grab a little of the Laura Mercier. So yeah, wouldn't recommend that NYX one as a setting powder. Damn it. I just realized I set my face and I wanted to use the contour part of this. I'm gonna have to test the other side of it in another video. I'm sorry. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna try this one by Max Factor. This is their cream bronze. Damn it! No, that's a powder. Why have they called it their cream bronzer when it's a powder? That is for sure a powder. That's a powder. Oh, it's like straight up gold. Definitely much confused. It's not too bad actually. So cream bronzer is a powder, just so you know. Oh, that's actually working out wow. Hello. Looks very nice and natural. Oh, damn. You know what? I'm going to be a bit sneaky. I'm going to go back into this Morphe palette and I am actually going to use maybe this color, maybe, ooh, I reckon this one looks the safest and I'm going to try it as a blush. You got to be careful when you do this because eyeshadows are typically a lot more pigmented. Oh my God, it works. Well, there you go, Morphe. See you later. Can use you for everything. Okay, this I am hella excited for. This is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Reezy highlighter. Seriously, that girl's glow is permanently like dialed up to 11. She's just too beautiful for words. I cannot deal. Look at this powder. It's got like this beautiful wave ripple effect through it. Interesting, because it's probably like intense. Oh my God. What the hell? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Amrisa, you didn't come to play. You are taking no prisoners and you are heading straight back home. This is stunning, guys. This is absolutely stunning. Amrisa, ABH, yes. And then finally for lips, I'm going to be testing out the brand new Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I've got two shades here. I've got Up to No Good and I've got Single. I've actually got all the shades in this collection. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a full lip swatch video. I can definitely do one. We haven't done a swatch video in like 6 months. We're going to up our game, guys. Let me know if you want to see it. I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to try Up to No Good. The packaging's pretty. It's the same as the lipstick packaging in the Galaxy collection. Oh, that color on my skin tone. I don't know. Very, very lightweight formula. They feel very creamy and pretty much they feel like you're not even really wearing a lipstick. So I like that. And we'll see how long they last. I'm going to go have breakfast and stuff and wear this whole look all day. I'll leave all of my thoughts and what I thought after wearing it for 12 hours. All of that will be in the description bar down below. Overall, I like how this look turned out. I feel like it's very bronzy. It's very natural. My two favorite products that I tried is definitely the Amresi highlighter and the new Benefit mascara. So this one and this one. These are like standouts for me. Absolute standouts. Look at that glow. Even is it looks wet. My face looks wet. But yeah, so far super impressed, guys. So yeah, I will let you guys know my thoughts after I wear them. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products, which one's your favorites, which ones you want to see like more in-depth reviews on. Let me know all of that down below. I love you guys so much and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!